of the circle. Shift it from bottom to top. If it touches once, this is a tangent. Shift it a little above. It touches 2 times. Secant. Remove the lines outside the circle. It is a chord. Shift it to the center of the circle. Right? Right. Next. You can do it. This is diameter. Take the diameter. Take the dead ends. Join it. Angle in a semicircle 90. No theorems, no. Geometry is diagrams. Shift this diagram to the top. Shift this diagram. Assume that diameter is water image. Shift it to the top. 90, 90. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral is 180. 90, 90. Usko either tilt karo. 90, 90, 90, 90. Opposite are equal. Rectangle. All are equal. Square. Opposite are parallel and equal. Parallelogram. Opposite are parallel and not equal. It is trapezium. Entire geometry textbook over. Are you all with me? Please draw it. Draw it. Draw it. Children learn more by what they do in the class, not by what they listen. This is the famous line by Walter Levin. He is the world's best physics teacher. He just got retired. He teaches in MIT. He teaches in MIT. In the last 14 years, I might have done close to 250 plus online courses in Coursera and other things. That is where you get access to the best teacher just sitting in your home. That is what Sir is talking about, the importance of online learning and online way of teaching. No crosstalk, sir. I won't repeat it again and again. I won't repeat it again and again. Another 5 minutes, we'll get into the careers after 12th. I just want to tell you what comes in that examination, why a training is very, very important for each one of you. Are you all with me? Write down one more question. Write down. These kind of logics, shortcuts you will not find anywhere. You can go and you can see it in YouTube. The kind of videos are there. You can see this is how students want to learn it. It is first 10 minutes. Class starts at 9 o'clock. It is 8:50. This is how students will keep coming. Because they want to make their after 12th the first undergraduation into best schools. Everyone here there is a dreamer. They want to do something. They don't speak to the class. This is how the class happens. This is how the class happens. That is why Prashant said, sir, you should only come and take the class, right? And everything. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? Yes, right, if you are dull, I will become dull. Next, write down one more question. This is an original question which came in CLAT examination. It is not, sir, please forget about, generally in aptitude exams after 12th, generally, these are the primary testing areas. 70% of the questions come from maths. Next is reasoning. Next is verbal. Depending upon the career that you are choosing, in case if you are choosing law, we will have a one more thing known as law, right? And current affairs. Current affairs is not a subject as such. Every day, in case if you have a habit of reading newspaper, this will be taken care of. Instead of law, one more section will be there depending upon the particular area that you are choosing. These three will predominantly dominate 70 to 75%. And most importantly, other than the non-maths careers, this is the area, the focus, maximum number of courses ask about maths, reasoning and verbal. And I'm sure coming from a good international, one of the best international schools in Bangalore, I think this probably little bit of fine tuning is required. Maths, see, first thing is, please do not look at maths as a maths. If any teacher is teaching you formulae, I'm sorry, you are sailing in the very wrong boat. When I was teaching the kids in Oak Ridge International School, when I was addressing teachers, I told them it's all about connecting the dots. Number system, algebra, geometry. Please don't tell your kids that they are three different chapters. Tell them they are the same. Number system uses numerical values. Representation is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. In algebra, numerical values is replaced by variables. One in algebra is called as a linear equation. 2 is called as quadratic equation. 3 is nothing but cubic. Geometry is nothing but diagrams. One, the same thing in diagram is nothing but dot. 2 is nothing but 2 dots, which is a line. 3 is nothing but 3 dots, which is a triangle. Are you all with me? Yes. The best thing which will happen is, within 2 minutes you will understand that all the properties that comes here will also come here, will also come here. Students will become smarter by learning smarter methods. Right? Number system, algebra, geometry. You just want to do pen pushing, please do it. Please write down, fast. We have so much to teach. PPT, ready? Copy it. You want to show that? Right. We'll take one more problem. Let us not waste time. He has added a few more PPTs because of a teacher's feedback. After this problem, please.